Today we are just going to talk about how to simply draw a frequency table without doing that manually. JMP gives you an option to do that, which most people do not know. But here I've been using that more often. I can't remember the last time I do a frequency distribution table manually. I always use JMP for that. It's very simple. I have my data set here where I collected the demographic information of 171 respondents. Actually, this is a subset of the original data I have. So let's say I want to draw a frequency distribution table for that, for my research or paper, which is socio-demographic characteristics of the respondents. What I will do first is to simply click and hold and drag to the last variable to highlight them. After highlighting them, I'm going to click on Analyze. Next thing is to click on Tabulate. After click on Tabulate, just click here once. So it gives you a sizable table here. However, there are instances where that is very long. You can see that extending here. You can simply click here and drag here. So you see, you can click and drag like this to resize. So the next thing is just to click on the first row once to highlight it. After which, click on Edit and click on Copy. Open your Word document. You can, let's say, type in the heading social demographic information, then you click paste. So you realize that we have the data here. So in between these are spaces. You can do that by deleting these spaces. Just click in between the space and delete. Press the delete key. Click here, delete. Click here, delete. Click here, delete. So you do that for all variables. Then after which you click on this. Click. You see borders. Click here. Then drop down menu. Then click all borders. Click on the font type. Then you put your Times New Roman. Font size, make it 12. Then you can resize your table from here. So you see. So when you now take a further look, you realize that this is how my data looks like. You can resize this. Click on the second row, right click once, insert, then choose rows above. Simply highlight this, cut, click here, then you paste. Type here variable, move to the next here, frequency, then you click here or you just press tab, then you see percent or percentages. So you can simply highlight all this. Then you click on center alignment or center text. Then you are done with your table. So in case you want to format your table in AP, just click here again. Click on your border column, no borders. Click once again, bottom, click again, top, then highlight this again. Click, since we went down, we see bottom. So you realize that you have your frequency distribution table. So I can say table 1, social demographic information of the respondents. Then I can format that Times New Roman 12. I can even add my total population or sample size, let's say 171. So I can now see that as, sorry, let me remove the bold, as presented in table 1, more than half of the respondents, into bracket 77.19%, had were between 40 to 50 years. Then you can report from there. Thank you for today.